So y'all, let's talk about appraisals. Sometime when you have a claim, you're not going to always agree with what your desk adjuster came up with as an amount to repair your damages. If you don't agree on the amount that the insurance came up with, or you think that you have more damages than they're saying that you have, and you decide you want to go to appraisal, what's going to happen is you get an appraisal. The insurance company going to get an appraisal. These two appraisers are going to go look at the damages again. They're going to come up with their own amount for the damages, and they're going to try to get together and decide somewhere down the middle as to what they can come up with as a amount for you to get your repairs done. Now, if they can't put their two minds together and agree on some amount, what's going to happen is they're going to call an umpire. Umpire got final say. Umpire's going to go out to the property. Umpire going to take a look. Umpire going to say, okay, these are the damages that I see, and these are the ones that you're going to pay for. And that's the final decision on the whole thing. So at the end of the day, when it comes to appraisals, you pay for yours, the insurance company is going to pay for theirs. They do not pay you to get somebody to prove them wrong. Why would they do that? Why would the insurance company pay you to hire a company to prove them wrong? That's not a part of your claim. That portion is a part that you were putting together to prove the insurance company wrong. Next time you decide you want to go to appraisal to fight the decision that the insurance company made, just keep in mind, you got to pay for your own if you're trying to prove somebody wrong. And I'll talk to you next time.